Hello students. So in this lecture we are going to discuss mensuration exercise 11.3 of class 8. Exercise 11.3. So now the first question is, there are two cuboidal boxes as shown in the figure. Which box requires the lesser amount of material to make? In the first figure, in the first question, there are two cuboidal boxes. The measurement are given are such that 60 centimeter, 40 centimeter, and the height is 50 centimeter. Now, next cuboid is 50 centimeter. This is all given as 50 centimeter, 50 centimeter, and 50 centimeter. So in this question, there are two cuboidal boxes as shown in the figure. Which box requires the lesser amount of material to make? So basically, you have to find out the area. The question is asking how much material is required. So this is a cuboid. This is a cuboid. So cuboid का जो total surface area होता है वो होता है 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. This is the formula of the cuboid. So now if I put, now it is important to note the length is 60 centimeter, the breadth is 40 centimeter, and the height is 50 centimeter. Now after putting all these values, so 2 into 60 into 40 plus 40 into 50 plus 50 into 60. So after adding all this, you will get 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 7,400. So you will get 0, 0, 8, 14. So 14,800 centimeter square. So to make this cuboid, you need 14,800 centimeter square area. By in the case of cube, where the length is equal to breadth is equal to height, which is equal to 50 centimeter, and the total surface area is 6 into side ka square. So 6 into 50 ka square, 6 into 2500, so 6 5 is 36, 2 into 15,000. So you will get 15,000 centimeters square. So now you can compare. Now you can compare both the surface areas, and you will find that the cube needs more than cuboid. Cube needs more than cuboid. So I hope you are clear with the question number 1. So this is the question number 1. Okay. Okay, so now in the question number 2, a suitcase with measure 80 centimeter. Question 2 is saying a suitcase with the measurement of 80 centimeter into 48 centimeter into 24 centimeter is to be covered with tarpaulin. Tarpaulin cloth. How many meters of tarpaulin of width, whose width is given? Tarpaulin की width जो है वो है 96 centimeter, and you have to find out the length of the tarpaulin to cover 100 such suitcase. So this is the question. Now please pay attention in this question. The suitcase has a dimension of 80 centimeter, 48 centimeter and 24 centimeter. That means this is indicating length, this is indicating breadth and this is indicating height. You have to buy, आप लोगों को तारपोलिन खरीद के लाना पड़ेगा जिसकी width 96 सेंटीमीटर है and you have to measure the length, how much length of tarpaulin you need for such 100 suitcases, for such 100 suitcases. तो सबसे पहले हम लोग इसमें क्या करेंगे, let us find out the total surface area of one suitcase. एक सूटकेस के लिए हम लोग बात करते हैं कि एक सूटकेस के अंदर हम लोगों को कितनी रिक्वायरमेंट रहेगी. तो अगर मैं टोटल सरफेस एरिया लिखूं तो वो होती है 2 टाइम्स ऑफ L into B plus BH plus HL. This is the formula of total surface area. So now I would like to put into the formula and the answer will be is like something 2 length is 80 into 48 plus 48 into 24 plus 24 into 80. So this is my total surface area. So 2 bracket 48 into 8 is 3840 plus 48 into 24 is 1152 plus 24 into 1920 ये होगा. इसके बाद अगर हम लोग करेंगे तो क्या आएगा इसके अंदर 2 into so you will get 2 into 6912 which is equal to 2 to the 4 2 ones are 2 9 to the 18 1 is 8 is 6 to the 12 3 so 13824 centimeter square. This is what is the total surface area of one suitcase. This is the total surface area of one suitcase. Now if we have to evaluate how much length of tarpaulin we need to cover one suitcase, so can we do the length of the tarpaulin is length into breadth and this should be equal to 13824. So basically width is given to you 96 centimeter, so length will be equal to 13824 divided by 96. So 96 ones are 4 divided by 96 is 144. It's 144. So if you solve it, 96 ones are 96. So okay, so if you divide it, you will get 144 centimeter. So can I write कि for one suitcase the length is equal to 144 centimeter. So therefore for 100 suitcase, ऐसे मेरे पास 100 suitcase हैं तो मेरे पास लेंथ कितनी हो जाएगी 144 into 100 which is equal to 14400 centimeter. So this is my final answer. So this is the length you need to cover the 100 suitcases. 14400. Okay, so I hope you are clear with the answer. Suitcase का length breadth height दिया हुआ है. This is tarpaulin. Tarpaulin is like something एक कवर के तौर पे है, जैसे कि suppose this is a tarpaulin. ये लेंथ है, ये 96 सेंटीमीटर है, तो मुझको क्या निकालनी है, इसकी लेंथ निकालनी है. सो जो सूटकेस की टोटल एरिया होगी इट शुड बी इक्वल टू द टोटल एरिया ऑफ तारपुलिन व्हिच इज नथिंग बट लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ. दी हम लोग तारपुलिन की बात कर रहे हैं. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस तारपुलिन लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ. सो आई होप यू आर क्लियर विद द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 आल्सो. नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट विद द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Now let us discuss the question number 3 of the exercise 11.3, that is find the side of a cube whose surface area is 600 centimeter square. whose surface area is 600 centimeter square. So a cube is having surface area is equal to 600 centimeter square. You have to find out the side of the cube. Now this is one of the most easiest question of this exercise. आपको सिर्फ एक चीज का ध्यान में रखना है कि what is the formula of a cube. Surface area of a cube is the total surface area of a cube is equal to 6 into side का square. That is 6l square. So now we can put the values. 600 is equal to 6 into L square. L square is equal to 600 upon 6. That is 100. So therefore L square is equal to 100. So L is equal to root 100. That is equal to 10 centimeter. So we will draw a cube. In which every segment is going to be 10 centimeter. So this is my question number 3. So I hope you are clear with the question number 3. Now let us see the question number 4. What is the question number 4? Okay, so now the question number 4 is Rukhsar painted the outside of the cabinet of a measure 1 meter into 2 meter into 1.5 meter. एक रुखसार है जो कि पेंट कर रही है आउटसाइड ऑफ द कैबिनेट विच इज एक कैबिनेट है जिसका मेजरमेंट है 1 मीटर इंटू 2 मीटर इंटू 1.5 मीटर. How much surface area did she cover if she painted all except the bottom of the cabinet? Now you should pay attention. In this question, the question is given, Rukhsar is painting the cabinet all around, but she is not painting the bottom of the cuboid. That means अगर हम लोग एक cuboid बनाएं, if we draw one cuboid like this. So now if we are drawing this, so she is not painting this part. She is not painting the bottom. What is the length of this? 1 meter. What is the length of this? 2 meter. And what is the length of this? 1.5 meter. Now she is painting all the sides. रुखसार जो है वो इस क्यूबॉइड में सारे तरफ पेंट कर रही है पर बॉटम को पेंट नहीं कर रही है. तो हम लोगों का इस बार जो एरिया ऑफ होगा वो क्या होगा? हम लोग पढ़ते हैं कि जो टोटल सरफेस एरिया होता है वो क्या होता है 2 इंटू LB प्लस BH प्लस HL. ये तो होता है टोटल सरफेस एरिया अगर ये सब जगह पेंट करती, बट क्योंकि ये बॉटम एरिया को पेंट नहीं कर रही है तो हम लोगों को टोटल सरफेस एरिया में से बॉटम का एरिया माइनस करना पड़ेगा. और बॉटम हमारा क्या है? लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ. सो मेरे को यहाँ पे करना पड़ेगा माइनस L इंटू B. तो अगर मैं इसकी वैल्यूज पुट अप करूं तो कितना होगा? 1 इंटू 2 प्लस 2 इंटू 1.5 प्लस 1.5 इंटू 1 माइनस 1 इंटू 2. ये हो गया. मेरे ख्याल से आप लोगों को ये बात समझ में आ रही होगी. ये तो टोटल एरिया ऑफ द क्यूबॉइड है, बट इसके अंदर से हमने बॉटम एरिया को माइनस किया है क्योंकि रुखसार इज नॉट पेंटिंग. रुखसार नीचे वाले पार्ट को पेंट नहीं कर रही है, तो हमको जो नीचे वाला पार्ट है उसको हमको लेफ्ट आउट करना पड़ेगा, इसलिए हमने इसको टोटल एरिया में से माइनस कर दिया. सो नाउ लेट अस सी व्हाट इज द एरिया. (11 meter square). So this is my answer. So Rukhsar is painting 11 meter square of this cabinet. So I hope you are clear with all the questions, question number 1 to question number 4. So if you like the video, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to have more notifications, because in the next module we are again going to discuss 4 more questions of the exercise 11.3. So if you like the video, please do subscribe and let your friends know about this video, because we have done elaborate explanation of all these solutions that will help your friend. Thank you so much.